I'm Lindsay Heron, and today I'm going to show you Table Top Scenic Design's 32-piece set. The 32-piece set comes in two boxes. This box contains your doors and window, and this box contains the other pieces. Additionally, this is a 3/4-inch scale grid, which we have laid out with our scene design for Ghost by Henrik Ibsen. What we are going to do is unbox each piece from the 32-piece set and lay it out into our design. So let's start with our platforms. The 32-piece set comes with two 4x8 platforms. For this design, we are only going to use one. There are also two 4x4 platforms. We are going to use one here and one here. Lastly, there are four 1x1 platforms, which work really well to lift your other platforms to create levels in different scene designs. Now let's look at our ramps. The 32-piece set comes with two 4-foot ramps. We're going to use one here as an escape off of these platforms. Now let's look at steps. Our steps come in two different sizes. We have our 4-foot steps and our 2-foot steps. The 32-piece set contains two of each size. Now let's look at pylons. The pylons come in three different sizes. We have our 4-foot pylons, our 6-foot pylons, and our 8-foot pylons. For this design, we are going to use our 8-foot pylons here to frame this entryway. Then we're going to use our 6-foot pylons here as a bookshelf, and our 4-foot pylons here as smaller shelves that frame this doorway. Now let's look at our flats. The 32-piece set comes with 4 trifold and 4 bifold flats. The trifolds have 3 flats hinged together. The bifolds have 2 flats hinged together. These work great in framing and creating areas within your stage. In this case, we are going to use all 8 of our trifolds and bifolds. And as you can see, hinging the flats together allows you to position your trifolds and bifolds in any way that you would like. Now, let's move on to our doors and window. The 32-piece set comes with one window, one left and one right door, and one French door. Now each door or window has a jack that magnetically attaches to the back of it to allow it to stand up. So we are going to place our French door here, our window here, and one door here. And there you have it, all 32 pieces in your 32-piece set. Now, as you know, most scene designs have furniture involved. A great way to represent this in your models is to buy an additional set of stage cubes. So in this case, we're going to use a double stage cube here as the sofa, as well as 2 single stage cubes to create 2 chairs here. We're going to use 2 more double cubes to create a love seat here, and 2 more single cubes to create chairs here. Another great additional product you can get is a character stand. What you do with a character stand is you take your character stand and you print out a little character or your costume designer's renderings and place them in the world of your design. This is a great way to test out whether or not your actors can fit through entrances and exits, try out their pathways, and look at the overall spacing of your set. For example, if you're testing it out here, you can see that your actor will not be able to fit between the space of the sofa and the chair. So your scenic designer knows that they need to set these chairs further away from the sofa. Now the actor can pass through as they please. So there you have it. Tabletop Scenic Design's scale models are a great way to explore and create your design ideas in a unique and versatile form.